Hi, my name is Luciana. I'm a 33-year-old mother, and I've become a stay-at-home person after the borona virus. This is how I plan on spending Mother's Day this year. The whole day to myself. So, what should I do? Should I do my nails? Nah, it would take me like 4 hours, and I want to use my time wisely. Like taking a nap. What the hell? That's much better. I don't remember the last time I took a nap like this. But honestly, having some peace and quiet is the best gift ever.
1 hour later.
Alright, what's next?
Shoe fly, shoe.
Okay, so let's stare at the fridge together and see what's the situation here. You smell so good, Donna. Ah, thank you, Snoop. But I shouldn't eat now. I'm not even hungry. Let's think about something else to do with our time. Okay, master. Maybe I should get my twerk in check for that Brazilian funk party that I'll never attend. Opa! Is this how I'm supposed to do, Anita? I still got it. Not really. All this dancing got me hungry, so I'm gonna order lunch from my favorite restaurant. Do I even have a favorite restaurant anymore? Let's see what they have in Asian. Wait, there was this Chinese restaurant that my husband mentioned and ordered from it a couple of times. Where is it? I think it was like Sunflower. Oh no, it's closed. Really? Fine, let's choose something else. How about pizza? I mean, can't go wrong with pizza. Oh, come on, straight away they put the dessert pizzas. Like, right on my face. Of course I have to click on this one. Cheesecake pizza. What else? Alright, buy the pepperonis on pizza number 3. I assume this is a non-kosher place. Alright, so where's the bacon? Oh, there you are. Lucky number 11. Fresh mozzarella, smoked mozzarella, bacon, green onions, and ground black pepper. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, I'm taking this one. Add to order. 141 shekels. That's expensive, aren't you? Oh, that cheesecake pizza better be good. Alright, what's next? Don't know what to do with all this free time. Should I empty the dishwasher? Yeah, no.
It's my day off. I'm not doing shit today.
Come here, Snoop. What are we gonna do? Maybe I should play with Snoop. You're so cute when you want to. Yay, the food is here, finally! Smells so good. Okay, let's see if the order is correct, because we know that sometimes they mess it up. Okay, so we got pizza number 11 here with the bacon and a shit ton of green onion. Yeah, they were heavy-handed with this onion, huh? And the cheesecake pizza, which I'm super excited to try. Alright, like a good lazy day, I'm gonna eat in front of the TV. Stay away from my pizza. Aww. Alright, let me find something new to watch, because I think that will go well with pizza. Let's see what they have on Prime. Oh, 2.5 Men, that's old. Utopia. Sounds interesting. Hunter is a really good series. I've been watching this with my husband, and it's amazing. If you like The Boys, you're gonna like this one as well. Dr. House, a classic. The Report. I don't want to see political things. Oh, Widows. From acclaimed director Steve McQueen, 12 Years a Slave. Oh, that was a good movie. And co-writer Gillian Flynn comes a blistering contemporary crime thriller with a powerful... Ooh, that is a powerful ensemble cast. Look, Viola Davis is in there, so I'm sold right there. And Michelle Rodriguez. Yes, let's see some trailer.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Something happened tonight, something bad. Our husbands aren't coming back. We're on our own. Now the best thing we have going for us is being who we are. Why? Because no one thinks we have the balls to pull this off.
Okay, I'm excited now. Press play. My husband showed up during the day for some quick paperwork, and conveniently, he was right on time for the cheesecake pizza. Now, I wasn't feeling the dried out sauce that came with the pizza, you know, the berry sauce for the cheesecake pizza, so I made my own with some strawberry jam and heavy cream. Delish. And if you're wondering, how was the cheesecake pizza? Nothing amazing, it was alright. I was expecting more. I was expecting something more flavorful, more dense, if you know what I mean. Ooh, DHL just delivered my new sex toy. Yeah, girl. You know, I was so excited to buy this product after seeing a promo post on Instagram from Batch with No Life that I completely disregarded the fact that it costed $99. And here in Israel, you pay taxes for purchases over $75. Oops. Anyway, if you would like a video review about this sex toy that I just got, let me know in the comments down below. Or you can DM me if you wish to remain anonymous, you know, but still voice your interest. And that's it. Now it's time to get ready and go get my son from the kindergarten. It's already 4:25, which means I'm late. I've had a lovely day, and I wish all mothers can have as much free time as they needed to feel like themselves again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out these other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!